you guys, but we are at home for the next 6 weeks with my lovely children. We have here Nikki, Andrew, Emily, and our cameraman Jacob. So what does that mean? That means trying to teach them as well as trying to feed them, as well as trying to stay sane. So what we're going to do is try to share some ideas of cooking with kids in the kitchen that are going to be healthy, that are going to be fun for the kids, as you can see, all ages. Oh, let's not, no hitting with the spoon, Nikki. Nikki, here, let me get you a different spoon. Here we go. As in, not giving the 2-year-old a metal spoon. A rubber spatula, that would be better. So, today what we're going to make are bagel pizzas. And Emily over here is going to start with some carrots. Yes, I said carrots. We're putting carrots in our tomato sauce. And once, you're going to be right here because you're going to help me put this stuff in. Once we get all this cut up, we'll blend it up once we've cooked it down a little bit, and you won't even know those carrots in it. Okay, so Emily, if you want to grab, and just FYI, everyone has washed their hands. So maybe like 5 carrots. What we want to do is we want to fill up this 1/4 cup with carrots. And we're going to take these, and I want you just to cut them in as small pieces as you can. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, so you're going to work on that. And remember, what we want to make sure and do is keep our hands far back, right? Okay, so since that one fell on the floor, let's put that one over here. All right, so next what we're gonna do, we have Emily working on the carrots over there. They don't have to do that. They can do that. This is you're on, this is your time, okay? So we're gonna get one, let's see, these are 14.5 ounce cans of tomatoes. These are, you're gonna get a spoon, I have one right here. We're gonna put in 1 can of these. These are fire roasted, don't have to be fire roasted, I just like the flavor of that. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so can you put this can in here? Yes. Yes, that's good. So is this a cooking show or a comedy act? A little bit of both. You know, we all need a little laughter right about now. Okay, Nicholas, don't turn the blender on yet. You're on next, buddy. Okay, so we put in our can of tomatoes. Next what we need is tomatoes. Okay. Tomatoes. Now we're going to do a tablespoon of maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, and this is like true, pure maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you could do sugar if you'd like. So he's going to pour in that 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And then we're going to do granulated garlic. Granulated garlic. Can we have the spoon, Nikki? Thank you. Okay, so can you get 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? And so one of the other cool things too is that we can start teaching some fractions to the bigger kids. Dump that in, yep. And then with the younger kids, it's really good with hand-eye coordination. Yeah, so then we're gonna do onion powder. Same amount of onion powder. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/4, so then we need to level it off, right? So we're not doing too much, perfect. Good, make sure that's all in there. All right, and then oregano, dried oregano. Yep, Nikki, you're gonna mix it in just a second, sweetheart. There you go. Okay, we got our dried oregano. Perfect. Okay, then we need a hefty pinch of salt. And my pinch is gonna be way bigger than theirs, so that's why I did it. Now we're gonna put in some balsamic vinegar. So I will pour and you hold, okay? Right over the top, right over there. Okay. How many is that?
1.
1, and how many do we need? Did I say?
1, 2.
2, so that was 1. And that is 2. Perfect. Pour that in. Okay, Emily, how you doing? Looking good. Great job there, sweetheart. Okay, now we're going to bring this over to you, Nicholas. If you can see what he's doing. And he's going to want to help mix it up. Want to mix it together for us, Nick?
The blender's kind of in the way, Mom.
Okay, we'll move the blender real quick.
Wait.
Well, blender will be after in just a moment. Okay, so you mix it up. Can you mix it together? Put your hand in there. You're good at mixing. Yep, good job. That's how you do it. Good, mixing. Yep. Woo. Yep, there we go. We stir around like this. Stir around. Yep, okay. Now we have that all stirred together, okay? So Mommy's gonna hold this. I'll get you another one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's, yep, that's perfect, Emily. So here, Nicholas, here's another one for you, okay? You wanna, well, drop that on the counter. All right, so we've mixed all that together. Emily's done like a fabulous job of cutting up this carrot. And so you want to put the 1/4 cup of carrot into our pot right here. Okay, then what we're gonna do a quick little mix around. We're gonna put this on the stove, medium-high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until the carrots are soft. And I've already done one here, so I have this here. And while we're doing this, Emily, do you think that you could grate some cheese for the top? I'll get our cheese grater, okay? And you can just do it on the big side there, okay? Remember, with grating cheese, you want to keep your hands far back, okay? Thank you. All right, bring the blender back into action here. And this is where Nikki really shines. Our smoothies in the morning, he is all about turning it on and turning it up. So, what we're gonna do, not yet. We're gonna put all of this cooked down. And you know, you want it to kind of come to a simmer and really cook down. So that way it's nice and thick. Yep, scrape it in there, Nick. Scrape it in there. Good job. Good job. We got sound effects from Andrew over there. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna, hold on, not yet. We're gonna put the lid on. And then we're gonna turn this down now. Turn it on, Nikki. Good job. Can you turn it up now? Yep, there you go. All the way up. Good boy. Wow. Whoa. Hey, you want to turn it off now? Turn it down. Good job. There we go. Okay, so we have our tomato sauce made and ready to put on top of our bagel. So next up, hold on, we're gonna get a little bowl here. And now we're on to assembling our bagels. All right, Andrew, you're coming back into the round here, okay? So we have our sauce, and we'll just put the rest of this over here for now. And yep. This side's good. And then you're almost done. Okay, so what we're gonna do, Andrew, did you put that in your mouth? The spoon? No, okay. So, yep, we're gonna take this and we're just gonna kind of spread it around each bagel, okay? And you spread it around too, Nicholas? Yeah, bagel. Good job. And I'll help you over here.
Mom.
Yeah. Yep, just dip it in and spread it around. Perfect, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, and then Emily's gonna come over. We're gonna bring the cheese over and you guys can all top it with the cheese. And then I have the oven preheated right now. I have it at 375. We're gonna pop it in there until it's nice and melted. Probably gonna be about 5 minutes or so. And then we have lunch on the table. And I mean, this wasn't long, but it was a fun activity to do as a family. And so far, no one's gotten hit in the head with a spoon. So that's good.
Except our dad.
Okay, perfect job, guys. Now we're gonna bring all this cheese over that Emily has grated perfectly. And you guys wanna grab the cheese and sprinkle it on top? Do you wanna help with that part?
Andrew, Dad's at work.
Okay, here we go. Sprinkle it over all of them, guys. Do you think we need some more? I think we should do some Parmesan on top. What do you think?
I'm trying to put it on top of mine.
You don't want Parmesan on yours?
No.
Okay. Anyone else want Parmesan on theirs besides Mom? Okay, Mom's gonna have the gourmet one, and I'm gonna do Parm on mine. Maybe you could put some Parm on just one of them then, Cam. And the rest of them will have just the cheese.
It can be this.
Okay, perfect. So we'll put that on. And you know, one of the things I like to do too is if we have some olives, you can put olives on top. You can put ham, you could put pepperoni, whatever your kids like. Mine are like most kids and like cheese. So that's where we're at right now. Okay, and here's some more cheese you guys need, okay?
It's just gonna be mine.
Okay, why don't you put yours up in this corner?
I already got this one.
Okay, yours in that corner, okay?
Emily, get off my stool.
Okay, we're all good. All right. Emily's exiting stage. And now we'll do Jacob's. We're gonna help with Jacob's. Nick, can you help me put the cheese on Jakey's? Thank you, Nicholas. Andrew, yours is looking good. Okay, do you guys think that looks good? All right, so here's what they look like. Can you get in on that, Jake, and see how our pizzas get in the oven? Looking good, Jay? All right, so now we're gonna put these in the oven for a few minutes, and we'll be back to show you how they look. And you can see Nicholas likes the sauce. He keeps licking the spoon, which is kind of amazing because he is my pickiest eater.
I'm the second.
Yeah, but here's one thing. He definitely loves ketchup. So that's probably what he thinks it is. Is that like ketchup? Do you like that, Nick? Yeah. Hey, at least I got a carrot. At least a bit of carrot in him. All right, what do we think? Nicholas, do you like it?
Mom,
Is it yummy?
look at me. Look at me, Mom.
You like it, Andrew? Is that a thumbs up? Good.
Grapes, good.
Nice job, guys.
Good.
Was that yummy, Nikki?